Hi, this is Jane.
And this is Valerie.
And we are from OUS.
5 things that kill more people in the US than anything else in the world is heart disease, cancer, lung disease such as chronic bronchitis, stroke, and unintentional injuries such as those of the heart caused by medical overdoses. Together, these 5 conditions also cause 2/3 of all death in the country.
Nearly 900,000 each year. The greatest impact comes from when we make the default choices. The healthy choices, for example, making heart health actions part of a normal course of everyday life. We can make it easier for people to be physically active, avoid tobacco, and have access to affordable and healthy food. We can make it easier for people to get recommended clinic services such as blood pressure management and cancer screening.
And also we could have access to good quality health care when it's needed.
And we can make it so that our children are likely to reach adulthood without being addicted to nicotine or facing a
potentially long-lasting struggle with obesity.
If we know that smoking can kill us, why do we still do it? We can prevent our children from starting to smoke. Help motivate smokers to quit and protect non-smokers from secondhand smoke by working at federal, state, and local levels to eliminate loopholes and restrictions on tobacco marketing prices and products, and by expanding smoke-free regulations that cover all public places and workplaces without exceptions.
This kind of charge requires political will, especially when facing the vocal and well-organized opponents funded by the tobacco industry. We learned from health systems around the country that big improvements will come from simple measures that focus clinical attention.
These include effective use of electronic health records to identify and track the progress of patients who need support, team-based care, and the use of patrols and prompt data feedback.
Change is never easy.
But each year, we don't adds tens of thousands of preventable deaths to the toll.
We owe it to America.
Death tolls. We owe it to the American people to do better! Huzzah!
Opinions test solely on these of Dr. Tom Frieden.
Thanks for watching. Hi, this is...
Hello! This is Valerie Fang from OUS.
And this is Jane Park, and we were talking about Donald Sterling as not a racist, but he should apologize for comments.
After dodging media for days, the woman who recorded Los Angeles Clippers owner Donald Sterling made a racist remark, urged for him to apologize. That sucks, okay.
She says, "I think he feels very alone, not truly supported by those around him." 31 years old, said. There's a number of occasions where Mr. Sterling and I had conversations, just like this one. She said,
"Part of the world has heard only 15 minutes. It's a number of rather hours that the world doesn't know."
On audio, Sterling tells Stefano not to promote her relationship with black people or bring them to games after she posts pictures on social media with NBA legend Magic Johnson.
Sterling said Sterling should go to apologize for the comments that she has discussed with him.
Despite the numerous conversations, she does not consider him a racist.
"No, I do not believe that in my heart," she said. "I think the things that he says are not what he feels. Anyone can say anything in the heat of the moment." He comes to think of the generations. He brought us back to all these things. Segregations, white, blacks. Through his actions, he has shown that he is not a racist. He has shown to be generous and kind man.
She said that he slammed her phone pictures on social media because of pressures from naysayers who criticized her and questioned why she's always around him.
During exclusive, Stefan also addressed the nature of her relationship with the Clippers owner.
"I love him just like a father figure," she said, adding that he plays a critical role in his life.
She says that she calls herself his silly rabbit because she does not take things seriously and always makes him laugh.
She says that there are two that are not involved romantically and have financial arguments.
"He first started to pay me as a employee and then started paying me off the book," she said.
Under the lifetime ban, Sterling is promoted from NBA games or practices, stepping foot inside any Clipper financially, taking part in businesses or personal decisions, or having a role in league activities, such as attending NBA Board of Governors meeting.
Sterling does not sell the team.
Considerably. He bought the Clippers from $12 million in 1981, and the team is now worth $575 million, according to Forbes magazine.
Savannah's attorney said that she did not leak the audio tape.
Thank you for watching OUS. Today we're talking about the 5 things that cause 2/3 of US Why did you stop?
I don't know. I felt like it was your turn.
Wait, no, don't. Okay, ready?
For examples of these communities making a difference. In San Francisco,
44,000 children have access to safe.
we learn from healthy.
Go.
We learn from health services around the country that
Systems. We live in health systems, by the way, guys.
Stalin does not sell the team. He promotes.
Stalin.
If